In case you guys are wondering, these are that's the Evo 4. What is up guys, welcome back to the video. So if you guys are new, my name is Mike. So today in this video, we're gonna be redoing this rim that I got for my Evo. I don't know, I might sell it just because I kind of like the set that I have and I'm saving up for a different set of wheels. It does have like a few minor scuffs and scratches like that over here and that here too. So what I'm gonna start off doing is just spraying Windex, like window cleaner or whatever you have really, just to get all the dust and stuff out of it for now, just to clean the surface. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use wax and grease remover, and we're gonna do this for all 4 rims. So we just got the whole surface more or less like kind of wiped down and got all the dust off. We are just painting kind of just the face over here. The reason why I want to get this like wheels in like decent condition is I am thinking about selling them. So I just want to give like the next owner of these wheels, at least it looks in pretty decent condition, other than them having to go out and get them professionally done. At least they'll look a little bit better. Probably a lot better if we can get all these like scratches and scuffs off the rim. I hope the new owner's gonna like them. In case you guys are wondering, these are Avid 20s. I believe that's the model. Yeah, if you like the rims, go check these ones out. So we basically have everything done. I'm gonna go ahead and use some wax and grease remover to wipe down the rest of the surface. We have some sandpaper just to kind of sand down and smooth in some of the rough spots. And I also got from Rondex color match paint, or the closest color match paint we can find. So we're gonna go ahead and respray the whole thing, and hopefully it's gonna look a lot better. So what I'm basically doing right now is how this rim was scratched up by the curb was kind of going like downward. So I'm just sanding it the opposite direction to kind of smoothen everything out, and also do the same here. And once it's all even, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this color match paint, since it does have a filling system. So it should help fill out the rim in between the really fine scratches here. Something that occurred to me is we haven't actually done like an actual DIY or like how-to video in a while. I know I've been working on my Evo and like some other vlogs in between, but we haven't actually done like an actual DIY that you guys can probably do on your car. So if you have some curve rash, definitely recommend doing something like this out. While I was working on the rim, I'm gonna update you guys on the Evo 4, which I do apologize, I haven't really filmed because of work and stuff like that. Because my dad and I are trying to get the car done as soon as possible. So I'll give you guys a little like walk around of the Evo 4. So the car is on coilovers. I'm not too sure which brand. It's like Jun or Magic, or I don't know, something like that. We did do the brakes and the calipers. It has new brake pads, and you can kind of see the coilover in there. Let's see if I can get a better shot. So yeah, that's the Evo 4. Not legal yet in the United States, but it's legal here in Canada. You guys gotta wait till like what, maybe 3-4 years? I'm not 100% sure, that was just a guess. Back to the rim, I'm gonna go ahead and just finish up a couple more spots. This is already fairly smooth here. There are minor scratches here like this. Can barely feel that. Just minor things to be done yet. I am just shaping this out here. It is a little pointy on the edge. Just needs a little more time. All right, so now that the rim is more or less all sanded down, and I did wipe it down with wax and grease remover, now it goes on to my least favorite part, masking off the tire, putting like paper or the cards all around it, masking off the valve stem here and the center cap. Now that everything's all like masked off, I'm gonna go ahead and start painting, and hopefully all of these minor scratches, the paint will hopefully cover it up, since it is like a filling paint. This is by far my favorite thing. I love painting. I kind of like body work, to be honest. To me, it's kind of just relaxing. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this. We have like 3 more rims to do of the same kind. I don't know if I'm gonna drag out this video for all the rims, but definitely gonna update you guys if anything pops up. Update on the rim. This is probably the 3rd coat, and it already looks almost new. The scratches here are really fine and you can hardly see it. This is like only the 3rd coat, so there you can kind of still see where I sanded and stuff, but I'm sure by like the 5th or 6th coat this thing would look so mint. Also, if you guys are in Winnipeg looking for color match paint or really good quality paint, I would advise going to Rondex, because for a spray can, they got their tip, like the actual like spray tip. It's kind of like, it's a lot wider and it's closer to like the actual gun. So I would highly advise going to them. I definitely highly recommend Rondex. I always go there. If you guys are in the Winnipeg area or live in Winnipeg, highly recommend them. In regards to painting, I usually do really light coats. Again, there's different kinds of ways to paint, I'm sure. But how I like to do it, especially with this, I just like to put like a really light coat, and then the next one's gonna be a little bit thicker. But you kind of have to wait in between like the coat. Like this one, I kind of wait like a minute or two for it to like dry up a little bit, and then add another coat, a little bit thicker and a little bit thicker. I don't know, that's how I do it, and I usually get a really good finish. Yeah, this is what I'm doing with this one. So the next owner would be hopefully happy with the condition. All he would really need to do is install the tires, and you'd be all good to go. I don't know what's up. I think my painting today is on point. Look at this. Like, the whole thing looks so good. Oh my god. And I don't have any runs whatsoever. These ones came out so good too. I think these ones are dry to the touch. Touch test. Yeah, we good. Oh, I don't know, guys. Should I sell them? But for one day, like just DIY, backyard DIY, it definitely looks really, really good. This is literally my mom's face every time I buy more car parts. Damn, boys. They be looking so fly. I can't believe how nice they actually turned out. I did have like a minor run here, but I was able to just like blend it in and you barely even notice it. Right now we're just polishing the strut tower bar. Looks really, really clean. Car's looking pretty mint. So I just realized I've been doing this for a while, and I figured I should show you guys. But I just came up with this idea because of like the Type R engines in Japan from the 90s, like the Integra Type R, the Civic Type R. This part was usually like brushed and it looked really good, so that's what I'm doing to this engine, since it was like this. It was really like pitted. Check that out, guys. That looks so good. I didn't want to do too much because I didn't want to round the edges over here, but it looks so clean. Right now I'm just polishing this, trying to get all the little pitting off there. Same with some lines here, definitely. Yeah, just trying to make the engine bay super mint. So the Evo is looking really good. Just another update on this car. I do apologize I haven't been filming it, but I think it's coming out really good, and it kind of brings back some memories because this was like my first car. But review coming soon. Alright, so we went for a little cruise. Ariana's here, Tanner's Evo, this is Tanner, and Sage is still in the bathroom at Tim's. But these are how the rims came out, and they look pretty fucking clean. Just ignore like the huge wheel gap, you can literally fit your elbow in there. But it looks really clean on his car. He's getting springs tomorrow, so I don't know, next time I see him, I'm gonna update you guys on his build, but it looks super clean. So we're finally back at the house. Sorry I didn't really vlog that much when we went for a little cruise, but for sure you guys can get a lot of that this summer. But I'm gonna have to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and join the Anti-Perfect Society. Peace out, and make it happen.